I grew up convinced I would one day live in a home like these. But when we bought our first house, I found myself with a 1959 ranch style that had never been updated. The fence was falling down, and you could barely get to the front door. This is the story of how we made this house into our dream home.
Welcome to Renovation Rewind. Today's topic, our bathroom makeover. This was the major renovation in the home. This is the one that we had to call in the professionals for and actually shell out quite a bit of cash. To save some money, I took the lead during demolition. We also built the tub frame and did all the tiling ourselves.
So it's been, 8 hours of tiling so far today?
Yeah, and look what we have done.
How you feeling?
I am feeling like it's going to take us forever, but it's good. It's not so horrible.
And it looks gorgeous where it's put together.
Kind of horrible.
But oh my God, we have a lot more work to do.
A lot of work. But so far, so good.
My husband even poured the shower pan.
Okay, day 760 of the remodel. We are now pouring the shower pan, which requires that we mix some cement. Looks a little dry, Shad. Looks a little dry.
It does look a little dry.
Okay. I will add some more water.
We laid a warm floor under the slate so we would never have cold feet in this room.
And it's not actually that difficult. This project has probably done the easiest of all the projects that we've done so far.
We initially painted the bathroom what we thought was a deep wine color. It turned out purple and was immediately repainted. I don't like shower curtains. I don't like the way that they feel. I don't like washing them, and I don't like using them. So we designed this shower with that in mind. You can see that it requires no shower curtain. This bathtub is actually more narrow than most, allowing us to not only fit it in this small space, but also take deeper baths without using as much water. We have a dimming light over the tub for reading or just ambiance. The shower has a rain shower as well as a traditional one. A custom vanity was out of the budget, but we still wanted 2 sinks. Another problem was how shallow the vanity would need to be in order to fit in the space between the door jamb and the wall. Matching small, shallow, pre-made sink and cabinets side by side gave us 2 sinks and kept us within budget. There is a lack of storage. We have absolutely no drawers and really no counter space. We installed a cabinet above the toilet with a door to keep things clean. Otherwise, we use bins to keep the area under the sinks organized. We ended up putting about $6,000 into this room, which was a big bottom line to us at the time, but we have never regretted the splurge. Thank you so much for joining me today. Like, subscribe, and stick around with Renovation Rewind. The next couple episodes are going to be about what we did outside.